Good day everyone and welcome to NQA Law Channel, your legal ally, where we share relevant information for your daily protection. For our episode 5, I am proud to feature one legal question from my very good friend, Sir Pershing. Shout out to Sir Pershing and to our Service First Asia Pacific family. His question is, regarding the latest Supreme Court decision where the annulment of a marriage was granted because the wife was a control freak and had narcissistic personality disorder, will it matter if the husband already knew of the wife's attitude or condition before marriage? Bao, Sir Pershing, matyagan ko ang ginanamin mo ni nga kaso ang ginpost ko party sa T10 versus T10 and the Republic of the Philippines. This is GR number 259322 promulgated by the Supreme Court just last August 6, 2025. Kay amo gini siya ang topic sa amo ni nga kaso. So in the Philippines, for a case of annulment to prosper with a ground of psychological incapacity, we have the case of Tan Andal versus Andal, which gave us the guidelines kung paano ma-establish ang psychological incapacity. So, tatlo na siya. So, una, dapat i-prove nga grave ang psychological incapacity. Maghambal ka grave, dapat hindi lang ga-refuse lang siya or hindi alang feel nga mag-ubras ang iyang marital obligations. Dapat unable gid siya or grave gid siya ang iya inability to perform marital obligations. Ikaduwa, juridical antecedents. Ambot silingon ang iyang psychological incapacity ara na before or at the time of the celebration of marriage, even if sang ulihi pa nagmanifest ang iyang kondisyon nga psychologically incapacitated siya gali to perform the marital obligations. And thirdly, dapat incurable gid. In other words, persistently psychologically incapacitated gid siya with regard to his specific partner. So let us go back to the question of Sir Pershing. Now, what if ang bana kabalo na nga daan nga ang wife niya control freak kag may ara narcissistic personality disorder? Well, the knowledge of the husband might complicate the annulment proceedings. However, that is not always a deal breaker. What the court will look into, as always, is the presentation of solid evidence. Again, lantawon na kakurti if you can prove gid nga grave, may juridical antecedents, kag incurable gid bala ang psychological incapacity. But you know what? In the end, dapat before ta magpakasal, maminsar gid ta, hindi magpatuga-tuga. Marry the right person and always marry for the right reasons. Siguraduha higid nga palangga mo kag akseptar mo ang iyang mga positive kag negative characteristics. This is Attorney Nea of NQA Law Channel, your legal ally. Know your rights and know your limits. See you in our next episode.